Hello, Wisdomers, and welcome to our weekly career roundup. In today's competitive job market, we understand the frustration many of you face. You have worked hard to develop awesome technical skills, invested countless hours in meaningful projects, and yet the interview calls are still hard to come by. Why does this happen? More often, the answer lies in a single critical document, your resume. Research says that your resume has approximately 6 seconds to capture a recruiter's attention and make a lasting impression. In that fleeting moment, it needs to convey your value, highlight your suitability for the role, and compel the recruiters to learn more about you. How do you ensure your resume not only survives this initial scrutiny but truly shines? This week, we at Wisdomers have undertaken extensive and meticulous research. We dwelled deep into hundreds of real-world job descriptions from a wide array of industries, meticulously analyzing them to identify the common threads and essential requirements in a fresher's resume. Our goal was to unearth the fundamental building blocks that truly resonates with hiring managers. With this invaluable data, we are going to build the perfect fresher resume from scratch. We will use job descriptions as our guide to strategically craft each resume section, ensuring it meets industry expectations with a data-driven approach. By the end of this video, you will not only understand the why behind each resume component, but also possess a clear, proven and actionable template for your fresher's resume. This template will be designed to maximize your chances of securing these crucial interview calls. We strongly encourage you to witness all the job descriptions that we have finalized. You will find them readily available in the video description or in the pinned comment section. Let's get started on this transformative journey to unlock your career potential with our 4-step workshop. When crafting your resume, the technical skills section stands as the cornerstone, acting as the initial gateway that often determines whether your application progresses beyond the initial 6-second keyword scan. This critical section should be meticulously designed to align directly with the requirements outlined in the job description. For instance, if you are applying for a MERN full-stack developer position, the job description will explicitly list the technical proficiencies recruiters are seeking. Place your technical skills featuring keywords such as React, Node.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript at the top of your resume as a concise categorized list. This improves readability and quickly demonstrates your suitability, boosting your chances of passing initial screening. Once recruiters are convinced of your technical skills, their next focus is to see how and where you have applied them in the real world scenarios. This critical aspect of your resume is addressed in projects or internship experience section. This section serves as a concrete evidence of your abilities and demonstrates your practical competency. Consider a job description such as one from Rearc, which explicitly lists academic projects, internships, hackathons, or open source contributions as a nice to have. This highlights the value employers place on candidates who can demonstrate practical application of their knowledge beyond theoretical understanding. These experiences are not merely optional additions, they are powerful narratives that tell your unique story as a professional. For each entries in these sections, so whether it is an academic project, a professional internship, a hackathon submission, or a contribution to an open source project, ensure you provide the following essential details. Highlighting internship experiences, effectively involves four key components. The first very important key component is project title. State your project title or role name clearly for immediate context. The second very important key component is powerful result-oriented bullet points. Focus on quantifiable achievements and impact using action verbs and metrics. Instead of coded a website, write it as developed an e-commerce website increasing user engagement by 20%. So this makes a very important difference. The third very important key component is technologies used. List specific programming languages, frameworks, and the tools to showcase your technical proficiency. The fourth very important component is GitHub or portfolio link. Provide a direct link to your code or portfolio to demonstrate skills and passion transparently. The third crucial step in building your compelling profile is establishing your educational foundation. As meticulously outlined in the REARC job description, which explicitly states a need for BE or BTech in computer science. This isn't merely a suggestion, it's a non-negotiable prerequisite, a critical box that recruiters will seek to check off without delay. Therefore, this section of your profile should be clear and concise. Avoid unnecessary enhancements or irrelevant details. The primary goal here is to present the essential facts in a clean, easily digestible format. Key elements to include in your educational section are your degree. So please give your full degree name. For example, it is Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science. The second very important key element is your university or institution name. Please present the official name of your university or college. The third one is graduation date. The date, the month and year of your graduation has to be mentioned. The fourth one is CGPA or GPA. Please include only if it is high or omit if it is modest or below average. For efficiency, present your education simply and factually. This allows recruiters to quickly verify your basic qualifications, ensuring you meet baseline requirements for further considerations. Our fourth step is showcasing your soft skills. Avoid creating a dedicated soft skills section. Instead, integrate these skills into project descriptions. For instance, when detailing responsibilities such as communicate project statuses and building cohesion among teams, use action verbs like collaborated, communicated, and solved. Focus on demonstrating how you achieved results as a part of your team rather than simply stating what you built. So, there you have it. A 4-step template for a resume that gets results. This resume will get you the interview, but then you have to prove it. This is where our AI interviewer in development for the Learning Agent app helps you practice discussing your resume's technical skills and project details. It's the essential next step after building your resume. Join the waitlist via the link in the description. That's it for this week. We will be back next week with a new career briefing. Make sure you are subscribed with the bell icon turned on. Now, a question for you. What is the number one thing you are going to change on your resume after watching this video? Share your key takeaways in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and keep learning.